Meaning of dial-up.
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 Dial-up. Dial-up refers to a method of connecting a computer to the internet using a telephone line and a modem. When a user initiates a dial-up connection, the modem dials a phone number provided by the Internet Service Provider, ISP, and establishes a connection. This connection is relatively slow and unreliable compared to newer broadband technologies such as cable and fiber optic connections. Dial-up users may experience slow download and upload speeds, frequent disconnections, and difficulty accessing websites with multimedia content. As a result, dial-up has largely been replaced by faster and more reliable internet technologies.